if you have a business and you need customers, do you want to talk to people that are potential buyers about how you can help them? The answer to that is always yes, right? But people are so used to the B2C in my like B2C, they do this all the time. Buy this, get this, do this, that, get that. Where it's not human, right? It's
Hmm.
very inhumane, and that's where people with a lot of marketers they're looking at things the wrong way because they had a bad experience. Oh, I don't like this because I worked with a marketing company that did something like this or something in the past, right? Like, so it's just about how you approach, going into the prospecting, right? Prospecting is everything in your business. And if you're in a startup and you're not prospecting, in my opinion, it's just like you're not really, unless you have a big marketing budget to do ads, to do crazy organic stuff and build like then just prospecting is where it's at. Like that's where I teach all my
Yeah.
clients. Like that's what I do with like everybody. I'm like, look, we got to have a solid prospecting campaign. We got to talk to people every day about like how you could help transform what they're doing. Period.
So what we're doing again with the outbound strategy is we're trying to find the 1%. The
Right.
1% of individuals that know they have a problem
Right.
and know that they need someone to solve that problem. So the reason why I do it still today, even though all the marketer, all the gurus are telling you not to do it, right? Although I will say this, you have to do it the right way. There is a wrong way
Right.
to do it, and I've done it the wrong way before, right? That's how I knew that your strategy would work for me because, again, I've done it the wrong way. But
Right.
with saying that though, it while we were ramping up and this new offer we had, I wanted a way to obviously bring in the prospects to us while we ramp up the marketing. Now, eventually, what happens is you should have both inbound and outbound strategy in
Yes.
any business. And by the way, like it's funny how when I talk about this, they're like, "No, you don't need that," and I'm like, "You clearly have never worked at a corporation before. No
Right.
corporation outside of Tesla, no corporation is like we only do inbound. Like that doesn't exist." And so what happens is you have this curve where you have high months where your marketing is crushing it, and then low months. What should cover the low months is your outbound strategy.